guys, today's video is going to be my January 2023 Boxycharm unboxing. I did the math. 2023 will be my 9th year getting this box. I feel like that should say a lot right there that I've continued this partnership for 9 years. That should say a lot right there that this is a really great company. The theme for this month is so fresh and so clean. There are 5 things in the box. Let's get started. First is a lip balm from Persona. This is Farah Cosmetics. This is the E-Balm Tinted Lip Balm. Retails for $22. It's a sheer lightweight tinted lip balm packed with nourishing ingredients designed for feel-good comfort anytime, anywhere. This is the color right there. But let's see if it's like really... okay, I was expecting it to be like a really, really opaque red, but it's not. This is good. I could wear this. I feel like red clashes with my hair, but no, I could wear this color. I totally could. And this feels really moisturizing too. So we're off to a good start. Next thing in the box is a liquid eyeliner from Farah. It's a matte black, highly pigmented eyeliner that will blow you away with 18-hour wear. Who wears their makeup for 18 hours? I feel like not many people. 18 hours. That would be... I'm trying to do like the times and the calculations and stuff. That would be a long time. So yeah, 18-hour liquid eyeliner from Farah. The color is Black Velvet. This retails for $20. And this is a new launch, it says. I love getting black eyeliners in my boxes because I feel like that's something I always use. Some makeup items I don't use, like blushes, so I'm kind of like, when I get those, I mean, it's still no problem. I give them away to like friends and family. But black eyeliner, I can always use black eyeliner. That is very, very precise. Ooh, it is very pigmented. This is large and in charge. This is Elemis Rehydrating Ginseng Toner. This retails for $37. It says perfect for dry skin. This nourishing treatment toner helps maintain the skin's natural pH level without the use of alcohol or other harsh ingredients. It's infused with extracts of Korean ginseng, I don't know how to say that word. Quillaja wood, and sweet Betty flower. The hydrating formula helps to revitalize, rebalance, and moisturize skin whilst leaving it looking radiant and revitalized. It also acts as a first layer of hydration and aids in the penetration of the moisturizer or night cream. Elemis, there it is. This is a very large... This is a large bottle. This is 6.7 fluid ounces. All right. What is this? Love, Craft, and Beauty. This is the Plasma Gloss. This all-over iridescent bronze gold gloss is a multifunctional buildable gloss that adds a dewy, bronzy, iridescent glow to eyes, cheeks, and lips. It retails for $18. This is also a new launch. Eyes, leaks, and I was gonna say eyes, leaks, and chips. Nope. Eyes, cheeks, and lips. Oh, this color. Oh, this color. Oh, this color. Oh, us. Oh, I just stuck my freaking fingernail in it. Oh, that is pretty. Oh my goodness. That is really pretty. I don't know why I just smelled it, but okay, I'm excited for this. Kazar Goo is the color name. Kazar. I don't know how to read. Okay, last thing in the box, as always, as almost always, is palette from Wander Beauty. This is the Sweet Escape palette. This retails for $42. Send yourself on a sweet escape with this perfectly curated collection of matte and shimmering, neutral and bold shades that take you effortlessly from day to play. Wow, so this has matte and shimmering, neutral and bold. What else could you want in an eyeshadow palette? A mix of everything. Here it is. Ooh! Oh my gosh, that color. Wow! That was a weird noise. Oh my gosh, these colors are so pretty. Okay, I'm keeping this for sure. This is like Vanessa's dream palette right here. Oh my gosh, yes. If only we had like a dark gray color in here. Oh my gosh, but I love these colors. Oh my gosh. Okay, Sweet Dreams. Can we just look at Sweet Dreams? Look at that. Don't look at my nails. But look at Sweet Dreams. Oh my gosh, look at these colors. Wow. Oh, that's a dark purple. But purple's like, hello. That's everything that's in the box. I'm so excited for this palette. These colors are beautiful. The toner I'm probably going to give away to a friend. I don't really use toner. I need to up my skincare game, actually. Actually, if we're being honest, I need to up some skincare game-ish. Black eyeliner I will definitely keep. This multi-functional, beautiful shade of bronze, I'm for sure keeping that. The lip balm as well, and that's everything. This was a good box. This was a good box, yes, for sure. I'm really excited about this eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I have like fallout all over my face, but that was just a quick application. Oh, I love it. I love it. This palette, oh my gosh, it's my new favorite. Wander Beauty, Wander Beauty. You guys see? I'm trying to like get up close. Fallout like everywhere because I was just messy applying that. Okay. That's it. That's for the That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I will link Boxycharm down below. I'll link my playlist. You can watch almost 9 years worth of Boxycharm videos if you're interested. If you're bored one night, just binge the videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.